Hey guys, today we're continuing the LA CTF, also the web one. So this is the invoice generator. So you just type your name in here, and it just generate a simple PDF for you. So we can do this. Give it a try. I probably will load up here in a bit, but yeah. So it just simply to hello. Invoice number, whatever you put in there. So you can see there's some place we can manipulate and potentially make it do something that we want. But we don't know what's the sanitization or anything like that. It's like so we can give it a try. So I tried some OS injection. It didn't work. But what really helped is they actually give us the source code. Sure. Source code, and right here, when you open it up, you can see it's um, actually have the flag right here, something like that. So we're looking at the flag, and it's hosting on the port, or the service is hosting on the 80 8081, and it seems like a some sort of web services that holds on uh, a Docker. So it might have been a Docker. So that gives us some ideas, right? So if we know where this hosting and we know it's in the flag, so we could just potentially call that, right, and have it just send it to us, but in a PDM form. So now we have to figure out how do we do that. Um, so we keep going down a little bit. There's a lot of stuff right here, and there's some down. I think down here this is the website portion, right? So it just literally receive messages and sorry, or receive your input and pump it out and with a random generated number, right? Invoice generator is at 3,000. So we can keep go up and see, what else they would do. Okay, this is a placeholder. That's fine. The name. So yeah, we can input stuff in here, right? Just put the name. Let's see if say anything else about this. Chromium. What is this? This seems of the function where it actually takes name, cost, and the data purchase. So which are the four fields that we saw, right? So we can go down here, formatting, formatting, formatting. All right, here we go. So the headers is invoice, and right here, which is very interesting point. It just take that as like raw HTML code. So we can probably do HTML injection in there, and probably do a server side uh, request, and hopefully it will give us to that. If it works, it probably will be a SSRF. So we can give that a try. Okay, let's do that. It doesn't matter. We keep it in here. We can do iframe. I already did this, but just type it out. The source is oops. They use HTTP in the Docker file, so we can call this, the service is called a flag. So we're gonna call this flag. The port is 8081, and we just want flag, right? Slash. Okay. Now we can close this up. Frame. Oh, did I do a width? So I might have done a yeah, done a width and the height. So in this way we can, you know, um, to to um, to have enough big of a window. But we can't try without it actually. Just close that up and run it. Sometimes it take a bit to render. Oh no, it's fine. Yeah. So it's pretty simple. Once you actually the source file helps a lot. Like once you figure out this can take just straight up HTML code without any check, then you see okay. I'm looking just to grab a file from this Docker, and you just call it, and it couldn't get easier than that. But thanks for watching. Appreciate it.